welcome. In this video, you will see how to save paper when printing invoices. If you think your invoices have unutilized space, adding avoidable paper and printing expenses, Tally provides you with two features that will enable cost-effective printing. You can optimize the use of paper while printing and reduce the height of the header from the second page. These features work when using simple or comprehensive invoice print formats for plain paper. This is applicable to different invoices. Try reducing the sales invoice. Open your sales invoice, press Alt-G, select Create Voucher, press F8. Press Page Up button to select a saved voucher. Press Alt-P for the current page, or press Ctrl+P to directly open the landing page. Select Configure. Enable the configuration Optimize printing to save paper. Preview. Here is a sample invoice with 2 pages. You can observe the space at the bottom of the invoice utilized for printing item details. Once the Optimize printing to save paper is enabled, use the configuration. Choose Details to show second page onwards. Disable the Details Not Needed from second page. It will enable you to stop printing information from the left and right parts of the invoice header. Here's a sample second page of the invoice. Now you know how to save printing expenses for invoices. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.